Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful animation in PowerPoint. Each of these elements are not connected with each other and these needs to be animated separately. So let's get started. This video has animation tutorial only. For design portion, please check out 6 Step Infographics playlist and video number 41. Let's enable the animation pane and start our animation portion. First select all 3 center circles and apply zoom animation. Increase their duration to 0.75 seconds and set cumulative timing of 0.5 seconds as delay between these circles. Select middle text field and apply split animation. Change effect option to vertically out and start it after previous. Select first pie section and apply zoom animation. Next select first arrow line and apply wipe animation. Start it after previous. Now select first rounded rectangle shape and apply wipe animation. Change the direction to left and start it after previous. Select first circle shape, apply zoom animation, and start it after previous. Finally select remaining text fields and PNG icons and then apply zoom animation. Start them after previous. Let's preview the animation once. That looks perfect. Now making use of Animation Painter, apply same sequence of animations to other design segments. Remember, you must apply animations to similar shapes and in same sequence as before. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment.